Hey YouTube, we're back at it again today. Yesterday evening we blew a tire and ran up on a little stump, so after much beating and banging we got one broke off the rim by hand. Should have taken a video of that, that's always fun. And the boys have taken it on the go-kart down to the electricity to get some air in it and pump it back up, and hopefully we'll be up and running here in a minute. Should be out digging some more stumps here in a minute, and we'll see how that goes. Got the tire fixed finally. It was quite a bugger. We had to use some starting fluid. Spent about half an hour trying to get it to come back up on the rim. But now we're working on getting some more stumps cleared out. That's Rodney taking a stab at the backhoe today. Kind of late, it's like 5 o'clock and we just now got started, but we spent most of the day hunting that tire and getting it mounted and everything. Well, that's how life goes. Got us a little brush pile going, trying to get all this, or some of these stumps burnt at least, and then get some of this raked up. Gonna try to cut a trail on the way driving the backhoe back in here. Pushed a little more on the roadway. I'm gonna try to cut a trail out here through the orchard so we can pull the camper back here and get it set up out there in the shade, and then have like some cooking facilities and stuff whenever we're here working. So that'll be helpful. There's one of the other helpers. What's up, buddy? Where's Isaiah?
He's coming.
Alright. You boys stay clear of the backhoe, but y'all can get all these little sticks and limbs and everything and go burn them on the fire, okay? That sound like fun?
Yeah, but one of them said it gets too big.
It won't get too big. We have the backhoe. We can control it, and it's in an area where it's next to the
Trees.
No, it's away from the trees. It's out closer to the open, so we can control it, buddy. Don't worry. But yeah, we got the roadway almost all the way smoothed up coming back in through here. So I'm going to try to hook the trailer, the camper, and pull it back out here in a little bit. And we were going to try to use the wood chipper to get all this brush chipped up, but it's kind of getting aggravating, so I think while I have the backhoe I'm just going to push it all into the pile and burn it. And we got another 28 acres of brush to make wood chips out of, so I think we'll be alright. Anyhow, hopefully we'll get some more stumps dug out here and then work on the roadway going down into the junkyard a little bit. Jacob getting a try at the backhoe here. Tractor out, trying to drag some of this stuff around and level everything off.
He needs to put his scraper down.
No, we don't want to dig it. The deeper you dig, the harder it is to... Hey, it didn't move!
Deeper it is to what?
If you dig a big hole, then it's hard to get it to fill back in and get solid again.
Can I do it again? Can I do it at the same time?
Maybe. Who hasn't had a turn?
Caleb and me. You had one yesterday. That doesn't count. Oh, he got it all.
Yep. Good job, buddy. Can you dig this stump? Yeah, the rest of the crew's hard at it. Can't really see what we got done, but cleared out a bunch more, leveled it off, and pushed the brush into a fire. And then made a little trail back in here and move the camper back here so we can have a little spot where we can do some cooking and cleaning whenever we're out here working. That's what we got done. The backhoe died out. The fuel pump went out on it, so got to take that to work with me tonight in the morning, and hopefully I can pick one up and bring it back. And then we should be back in business. Got to get it back to the owner. And our part came in for our backhoe, so hopefully we can get it put back together by the end of the week and have it working as well. But yeah, that's our job for the day that we've been working on. Like our videos, subscribe, and leave us some comments. See you.